Okay, welcome back. So in this video, I will be going over the review or reviewing the paper that we wrote for IT PPA or for procedural programming. So I'll be looking at question two. I won't spend too much time explaining, certain things and going through certain details because it's a review, right? It's more like, okay, well, if you had this, then I think you would have probably had this particular question correctly. So I'm going to be starting with question two. I'm not going to do question one because question one was multiple choice. So in question two, for those of you guys who don't remember, we had to, or we were given variables and we had to fix some code. And basically the values that we had to have is that x being equals to 15, y being equals to 8, and the trick part was having to make w equals to 28 if I'm not mistaken. So this is basically how the whole entire code is going to go. We have a global variable called secret that's equals to 5. We have our integer variables x, y, w, z, and z is equals to 13. So if z is less than x, then x is equals to 12. I think that was one of the conditional statements that that we had to fix, so that we can ensure that w ends up equaling to I think 28. So I said that if z is less than x, then x is equals to 12, else x is equals to 15. So z at this point is equals to 13 and x is equals to nothing, right? This is x. We've just declared x. X has a default value of 0, meaning that this declaration or this assignment does not happen. We move on to the next one where we make x equals to 15. And so then we had to display x is equals to 15 and y is equals to 8. And then we go down below and say, well, y is equals to 8, and say that w is equals to x plus y plus secret being 5. So x being 15 plus y being 8 and plus the secret, which is 5. That would have given you 28. So 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 5 is going to end up giving you 28. So if we run the program, it is going to give us x, y, w. So x equals to 15, y equals to 8, and w equals to 28. And I think that's all we honestly had to do for this particular question.